I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your admin role so you can change core settings immediately. Once confirmed, open Business Manager and go straight to Business Settings, then Business Info. Make sure you have the exact new name and supporting documentation ready to upload. This saves time if Facebook asks for verification. You'll avoid interruptions by preparing file types and a concise reason for the change. Now proceed to the name field and be ready to enter the new name precisely as you intend it to appear. You'll click the pencil icon beside the business name and type the new name exactly. Once entered, provide a short, clear reason for the change so reviewers understand the context. If Facebook requests documentation, upload the prepared files now and double-check file names and clarity. Save your changes and observe whether the platform applies the change instantly or flags it for review. If it's submitted for review, you'll see a status message. Make a note of any reference ID shown for follow-up. Once done, monitor your inbox and Business Manager notifications for a 24 to 48-hour response window. Responses sometimes appear sooner. If Facebook rejects the change, carefully read the rejection reason, correct any naming or documentation issues, and submit an appeal with clearer proof. This is often the fastest path to approval. Finally, make sure to update any linked pages, add accounts, payment info, and inform teammates so labels and access stay consistent across assets. Tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.